Taken 5 kg.
We were given an invitation.
Spanish!
Daw tumitingin-tingin dito sa baba namin. We'll try to maximize our space. Next time!
Dunia kelas aja pula. Jangan lupa bayar segini, bayar segini.
50? Half kilo. They have two different types of eggplant.
1 kilo. 1 kilo.
How much is the one? 50? 40 rupees. Good. And this one, the other one? 60. Mas mura pala yung ganito. Yeah. Grabe.
Taken 5 kg.
How much?
100 rupees.
5 kilo of onion, 100 rupees. So these are all what we have got from the market. So all of this, parang nasa 1,000 rupees yung nagastos namin for fruits and vegetables na guys. I brought this along because I thought we can go to the post office to send this for my friends. But they are opening at 10 a.m. and it was just 9 when we passed by there. So I'll bring this later again. But inside we still have some more fruits here. Nakabili din ako ng sitaw, guys. So, mag-adobo tayo ng sitaw. Yung aming talong, 40 rupees lang to. Mahilig kasi ako mag-isa, mag-turta. Tapos, si Abby at si Mishka kumakain din. So, eggplant is life.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared.
And earlier, we were given an invitation from Mishka's school. Red Day celebration. Dear parents, this is to inform you that we are celebrating Red Day in our school. Please get your kid ready according to the theme. Dress code red. Lunchbox, red fruits. Watermelon, pomegranate, apple, strawberry, etc. Timing 10:30 to 12:30. Handmade invitation.
And they were giving to every each and every
Parents.
Nice.
Mimi is home. And her homework is Hindi letter. Is that a letter na?
No, it's like
No!
half.
It's Spanish!
Half circle. Like half circle.
It's Hindi. Mimi's first Hindi homework.
Yeah. because now in North Hindi also will be there from nursery.
Yeah, nursery, and they are teaching her Hindi. In South India, in Madikeri, they don't have Hindi subject.
In nursery, maybe later in schooling they have.
Yeah,
Be
but
careful,
here...
it has to touch the dots. You should not go out, baby.
Or you get your chair. How you are sitting. Next homework.
Is you have to know the stationery items. So you have to tell me what is this?
Blackboard.
What is this?
Chalk.
What is this? Okay, what is this?
Pencil.
What is this?
Razor.
What is this?
Sharpener.
What is this?
Notebook.
What is this?
Scissors.
What is this?
Pen.
Oh, very good. What's this? The other one she doesn't
This
know.
is blackboard. What is this color?
Blackboard.
Black and board. So what to call this?
Blackboard.
Very good. We have whiteboard in our house, right? This is blackboard. What is this?
Blackboard.
Again. What is this?
Blackboard.
This.
Chalk.
This is. Okay, this you don't know. This is duster.
Duster.
Yeah, like to clean the blackboard. You are using that small one, na? This is called duster.
Duster.
Okay, what is this?
Blackboard.
This.
Chalk.
This is.
Blackboard.
No, duster.
Duster.
Uh,
Pen.
no.
Pencil. Razor. Sharpener. Pen. Scissors. Notebook.
Very good.
Yeah.
Now this one. Mirror. Dining table.
Very good.
And
Chair.
very good.
Light.
Bulb.
Bulb. Clock. Sofa. TV.
Full form of TV is television.
Television. Phone.
Mobile.
Mobile. Drawer.
Mixer.
Mixer. Fridge.
Very good, Mimi. You know so many things. Lunch is ready. We have rice and dal, okra, potato, and
Mommy,
yung aking
can
eggplant.
you come?
Someone is coming here because we are inquiring for CCTV installation.
What
Big-
is
CCTV. Kasi kanina, so that we can see if people are coming inside our house. Kasi kaninang umaga, sabi ni Honey, meron daw tumitingin-tingin dito sa baba namin na lalaki. Tapos pabalik-balik siya. Kasi dito sa floor namin ngayon, hindi na madalas naka-open yung pintuan. So baka iniisip ng ibang tao, walang may nakatira dito sa floor namin. So kanina daw yung lalaki, patingin-tingin dito sa floor namin. Si Honey nasa taas. Tinitingnan niya yung lalaki kung anong gagawin. Tapos pabalik-balik siya, may chine-check kanyan. Nakatingin sa gate kanyan. So ngayon, nag-i-inquire pa lang si Abhit.
अंदर का अगर नहीं होगा ना तो अंदर तो हम फिर कोई दूसरा वायरलेस लेकर लगा देंगे।
यहाँ राउटर कहाँ पे इंटरनेट वाला है? ये लॉकर आता है, ठीक है? इसको हम यहाँ पे चिपका देंगे, ठीक है ना? यहाँ पे, ठीक है ना? और यहाँ से सारा वायर पीछे से गिरा देंगे, ठीक है? और एक सिंगल वायर टीवी का जो है, वो आके जुड़ जाएगा, बस उसकी वायर दिखाई देगी। सारा वायर को पीछे से ड्रिल करके उसमें उधर कर लेंगे और एक HDMI जो वीडियो वाला वायर है इसमें आके जुड़ जाएगा।
टीवी के
हाँ ऐसा वायर आएगा, देखिए ये जो वायर नहीं है ना, छोटा सा ब्लैक, वैसा वायर आएगा। बस और तो हम फिर क्लाइंट जो उनकी और वायर को जमाना होगा इंटरनेट के लिए।
She just woke up. She's having guava. Papa just finished cleaning the ground. Kasi punong-puno ng dahon ng mangga.
You were cutting mommy's hair, Mishka?
Yes.
Why?
I think I
She
am.
was working here and she was... Huh?
I thought she was just playing with my hair.
I think
Mishi, you have cut my hair. Look.
Baby, why you have cut mommy's hair?
At first, she was just playing with this. Mommy, I will make you hair salon. Then she went to get her scissors. Gali, I'm so focused with my work.
Why, baby?
Mimi, that is not good.
then she is doing her Caesar, then you cannot realize.
No, because I thought she's just making me hair salon, because all the time she will just comb my hair.
Baby.
She... Don't do that again next time. So Abhi is going to shift his gym equipments here in the house because they're upstairs. You can't really concentrate. There's a lot of mosquitoes. So he's planning to keep his gym equipment this area. We'll try to maximize our space with everything that we have. Dining area and gym niya, mini gym. Para makapag-exercise si Daddy and ma-push niya yung kanyang fitness journey. Ooh. So sabi niya, anytime he can exercise. Doesn't need to go upstairs. And the struggle is real talaga pagdating sa mosquito. Huh?
This was the biggest challenge.
Yeah. Mishka wants to eat this. This is one of Mishka's favorite fruits. And Mommy came from the market. Ganitong sizes yung nabili niya. Maliliit na pomegranate yung kanang nabili. 100 rupees for 1.5 kilos, no? And earlier, this is what we have bought. 200 per kilo. Kasi malalaki ito eh. 180. Itong maliliit. Hindi siya ganun ka-red. Compare the big ones.
Please like our channel, subscribe.